Nothing is more blissful than being united with the Lord Himself, and the gopis dance in ecstasy, having now become one with Him. Once united, there is no difference between Krishna or Shiva. All is one. The gopis, Shivagami, Swati, Shivapravina, Varsha and Shobana dance in Anandam. Arul Jodi Devam, Yennai Aandu Konda Devam, Ambalathu Aadugendra Ananda Devam. Anandam in Bhageshri, Ragam and Aditalam.
Hari Om, dear friends. The Temple of Fine Arts is proud to present yet another graduate of Natuangam in Singapore, Srimati Deepa Vatsan. Her certificate will be presented to her on Vijayadashmi Day after the prayers. We thank all the children who have supported her in this endeavor and all those in the orchestra as well who have helped her to reach this goal in her life. Thank you everyone for coming and being present here today. I will now pass the mic to Sheila.
Round of applause for all of them once again. I'm sure you've been uplifted by the performance in the last hour or so. Everyone does everything here from their heart, and the children there, the members of the orchestra, Deepa, have put in a lot of effort through the guidance of the gurus, have put in a spectacular performance this evening. The night is not over. You've been spiritually uplifted. Now it's time to fill your appetite. So there is food outside, prepared by Annalakshmi, with lots of love as well, as we do everything over here. For those of you who have not completed the weekend, retail therapy is always good to end a Sunday. So please go to Annalakshmi, our lovely boutique. Lavanya is there. Everything that is showcased there is handpicked with lots of love as well. We also invite you to the next upcoming Temple of Fine Arts event, the Shantanjali Festival of Arts. It will be held on the 13th to the 15th of November at the Hong Lim Park. That's over a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This year it's themed Weaving the Singapore Story, and it's the second year we're having the Shantanjali Festival of Arts. And we promise another showcase that is as spectacular. We will be collaborating with other institutes of art as well, so please come with your family. Closely following that, on the 20th of November, we have Antaratni, a musical passage unveiling the fire within, also by the Temple of Fine Arts. That will be held at the Esplanade Concert Hall on the 20th November. It's a Friday at 7:30 p.m. Please come and continue to support everyone here, and we look forward to seeing you at our next event. Good evening.